Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see the market has opened on a Monday vibe node. Market has not come out of the weekend vibe yet and market is sleepy. Usually we do not get to see much volatility during the first half of Monday, so more or less market is behaving normally. And today we don't have any news also during the US session that will make the market crazy. So more or less we can expect a normal market where the first half will remain silent and slowly during the US session we may get to see some volatility. So if you look at the chart of DXY, then yes, DXY is standing at 101.85 and DXY has taken support around 101.67. So more or less DXY is still inside the range only. My dear friend, if you are looking for detailed analysis, please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday if you're new to the channel, because we have talked in detail about the levels, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore the existing subscribers. So right now the current range of DXY is 101.65 at the bottom as resistance and 102.25 as the resistance, and this is the resistance and this is the support, and this is the narrow range of DXY right now. After the failed breakout, DXY is trading inside a very narrow range, but that doesn't mean that this range is very strong. Right now there is not much volatility, as a result market is silent, but DXY should be out of the range within the next 1 or 2 days. And overall the stance of DXY has not changed. Both fundamentally and technically DXY is not very strong right now, not very positive. So yes, in the coming days, if DXY breaks the support and starts falling, it will head towards the last support of 100.80 to 100.50. There is no news in the market that will come for rescue. So as a result, DXY is still under very much pressure, and right now this is the range of DXY 102.25 to 101.65. Now let's have a look at the chart of pound dollar GBPUSD. So GBPUSD, as I said, my dear friends, in my earlier video, last video, that 1.2350 will play a very important role in the market, because this is the level that market has tested a couple of times, and this time if the volatility of the market is low, then we can expect the level to work again as support, because for a breakdown or breakout, market requires volume. If there is not much volume in the market, then usually we get a false breakout. So here, if the volatility of the market remains low, you can expect the market to take support and bounce, at least a minor bounce, and you can go for a buy position. But on the other hand, if you see market approaching the support level with red candles like this, means the selling pressure is high, volume is there, and as a result there is a high chance of market breaking the support. So 1.2350 is a critical level. If the volatility is low, it may work as support. If the volatility is high, market may break the level and we can go for a sell. We can go for a sell below 1.2350 as well. And in my previous video, I have explained that if market breaks this level here, then 1.2280 to 1.2255 will be the next level where we can expect the market to take support and we can go for a buy position. Overall, the market is still bullish because the chart is bullish. We cannot deny the fact, but here right now we can see the market is sideways. The overall trend of the market is bullish, but the present trend of market is sideways. So if market goes for some stop loss hunting also, okay, we can go for some quick sell opportunity. But overall, I'm still bullish because there is no news that will bring a complete trend reversal on GBP. So as a result, I'll be looking for buy position around this level. According to me, this is the best level where you can expect the market to take buy. And as I said, overall the market is an uptrend or bullish, so the trend line was acting as the previous support and the same line is right now acting as the dynamic resistance. So on Saturday also I have explained it that during the day, if market remains like this and starts going up, then we can look for some selling opportunity or quick selling opportunity around 1.2484 to 1.2468. 1.2484, 1.24, sorry, 68. This is a quick selling opportunity on the chart of GBPUSD if market hits the level and reverses. For this kind of trade, 4 hours is not the ideal time frame because these are quick trading opportunities. You simply need to switch to 1 hour time frame or 50 minutes time frame. If you see that, okay, market is struggling around the area, market is showing price rejection from above, okay, means that sellers are present, sellers are creating some trouble, and you can look for a sell position. But if you're a beginner, new trader, I will not suggest any trading opportunity here because overall the market is an uptrend and taking a sell position can be a little bit tricky if you're not very much familiar with risk management, if you do not have a solid hand over risk management. Okay, so beginners, new traders, be careful and try to learn risk management if you're still not very clear about the topic yet. And that's all. Okay, and let's wait and watch how the market reacts. Okay, and hopefully we will get to see some action during the US session. And as I said, today we don't have any news also, so more or less market may remain like this. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow, and all the best. Follow proper risk management, my dear friends. This is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, so do your own calculation. I'm also a trader like you and nobody's 100% accurate. So bye bye, take care.